Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MailerLite. First, navigate to the MailerLite website and click Sign Up Free. Enter your email and create a password. You'll then receive a verification email. Click the link to activate your account. After verification, complete your profile by providing your company name, website, and address. This essential step ensures your account is fully functional and ready for use. Now let's create your first sign-up form. From your dashboard, select Forms and then create your first form. You can choose between an embedded form, a pop-up, or a landing page. Customize the design to match your brand, adding your logo and adjusting colors. Make sure to include fields for essential information like email and name, keeping it simple for higher conversion rates. With your form ready, it's time to manage your audience. Go to the subscribers section to import any existing contacts you have, perhaps from a spreadsheet. Next, organize these subscribers into groups based on their interests or how they signed up. This allows you to segment your audience effectively, ensuring your future email campaigns are highly targeted and relevant to specific groups. Finally, let's send your first email campaign. Navigate to Campaigns and click Create Campaign. Choose from MailerLite's professional templates or start from scratch. Fill your email with engaging content, compelling images, and a clear call to action. Once your email looks perfect, select the subscriber group you want to reach, and then you can either schedule it for later or send it immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.